Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I am going to show you how to send large or big files from your WhatsApp without any kinds of problem. Actually, when we try to send some photos or some small videos, that time we can send it, right? But when we try to send some videos like above 2 GB or above 1 GB, that time we couldn't share that videos in our WhatsApp, right? And that time we got some problem. So if you face these types of problem, then there is no worry, because today in this video I'm going to show you two kinds of easiest process for sending large or big files in your WhatsApp without any kinds of problem. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So let me show you. In here I have already sent some movies. In here you can see this is the file above 1.2 GB and there is another file. Okay, so let me show you the first process. So the first one will be, you need to go to your Google Drive. Suppose there you can see this is my drive. So you need to go to Google Drive, and after that just click here new option and then click here upload, and then choose that big file from gallery or from your recent file. Okay, so let me choose the first one, and after that it will preparing to upload files. So you can see it's already uploading. Okay, so after uploading it, just let me show you from another file. Let me cancel it. So I guess that you uploaded your files in Google Drive. Okay, so let me go to this video section. Suppose I assume that you uploaded this video, okay, or these files, and after that you can see in here three dot line. So just click on it and then click here copy link. You can see in here copy link option. So just click on it, and right now go to your WhatsApp and then choose that person, I mean which person you want to share. Suppose I want to share with this person, and then paste that link in here. Okay, let me show you. It's already sent. Okay, so let me go to this WhatsApp. I already got that messages. You can see I just already got these messages with link. So what you need to do, I mean you have already sent it, just ask your friend, click on that link and then choose any one of the Gmail, then click here OK option, and the file will be open. And if you want to download it, that time you need to click here three dot line, and after that just scroll down and you can click here download, and your file will be downloaded. You can see it's already downloading. So this is the first way. I mean you can send any kinds of large file through Google Drive system. So if you face any problem with that process, that time you can follow the second process, and the second process will be very easy. So you need to go to Play Store first, and after that make sure your WhatsApp application already up to date, because if you don't update WhatsApp, that time maybe this process won't work. So after updating your WhatsApp, just open your WhatsApp application and then go to that friend profile and then click here, I mean this icon, attach file icon. Just click on it and you need to click here documents option. Just click here documents, and right now you can see select, and then choose here attach file option, then click here documents, and you can see in here select files up to 2 GB in size. So you can select here browse documents, and you can go to that folder. So let me go to this folder, and I want to send this movie, okay, which is above 1 GB. So let me click on it and wait for a few seconds, and you can see it's already available for sending. So now click here send option, and your movie or your big files or your video will be sent like this way without any kinds of problem. You can see it's already sending. So let me delete it. So whatever, through this easiest two concept, easiest process, you can send large or big files in your WhatsApp without any kinds of problem. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks.